Now, one thing we didn't try, which we could try, well, no, we don't need to do that. Okay, so just, all right, well, so I think the radio is dead. Yeah. The radio is dead. Okay. All right. I don't fix radios. All right. Either they work or they don't. This one don't. All right. So let's see about the tape deck, because the motor does run. And let's see here. To get this bad boy off here, we've got, okay, I think, let's see here. Good. It'd be so much easier to have this bracket off of here, right? So this is what? This goes to what? Well, that goes to the headphone jack. Alright. And that's held in place by what? Screws? Okay. Well, okay. This one goes where? This is the motor wire, right? Yeah, it's the motor wire. That goes way up to here. Underneath all that. Okay, why is this big old plastic thing here? Don't know. Just, oh, here we go. Hey, there we go. Get that out of the way. Great, there we go. And then, well, still didn't help me much. Alright, well, okay. It's got, okay. Has one belt that drives the auto stop mechanism, which is driven off the flywheel, and the flywheel is driven by one belt. So this takes two belts, not counting the counter belt. Does this thing have a counter? Let's see here. Yeah, it does have a counter. The counter's way up there, and it's driven off the front, which means you have to take all this apart. Oh boy, to get to that counter belt. Okay. Yeah, you would have to remove, okay, so we'd have to remove, let's see, this. Okay, so the cassette deck is on the chassis. There's like 1, 2,